Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the format of simple past tense. How to change a sentence from active to passive, or in case you want to change from passive to active. We've already understood and done a few exercises on simple present tense. Now it will be past tense. And we'll also learn what will be the format you are supposed to follow. So children, just a second. Yes, so in today's class we'll take up affirmative sentences. Now what are affirmative sentences? Those sentences which tell a truth, which are positive sentences, which make a general statement. In affirmative sentences, children, the active voice starts with subject, which can be a person or a group of people who are doing the thing, plus second form of verb, which is the past tense of any verb, plus object on which the work is being performed. As the name suggests, children, it is the simple past tense. Yes, children, as the name suggests, this is the simple past tense, and that is the only reason why we use the past form of the verb is used in the structure of active voice. And then we put the object, that is basically the thing on which action is done. Now we'll take up the example first. The sentence says, Dev kicked the ball. Dev is the person doing the action, performing the action. Therefore, we can also say it is the subject, and thus it is mentioned at the starting of the sentence. Then we put kicked, which is the second form of the verb kick. And what is being kicked? The ball. Just a second, children. Yes. And what is being kicked? The ball is being kicked. So the ball becomes the object. So in active voice, the sentence is they've kicked the ball. Subject plus second form of verb plus the object. Clear? We'll take up another example with the sentence says, they ate 5 apples. They is a group of people which is the subject in the sentence. They are doing an action, and what are they doing? They ate. The past form of verb eat. They ate, and then object over here are 5 apples. Object. So subject plus verb, second form of verb plus the object. They ate 5 apples. Children, this is the format in which a sentence will be formed in active voice in simple past tense. The format is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Now we'll see how do you form a sentence in passive voice in simple past tense. So now children, this was a very simple format, because in past tense we can use the same form of verb whether we are using it with a singular noun or a plural noun. In this slide that we just did, making active sentences in active voice, it is the same format that we follow, and whether we use it with a singular noun or a plural noun. Now let us see in passive voice what is changed, how we can change it. So we'll see the format in passive voice. The object which is in active will now come first while we frame a sentence in passive voice. The object the object will now be the subject. The object in the first sentence was the ball, now in active voice, and now in passive voice it will become the subject. It will come first in the sentence. Then we have the option of was or were. Was or were. If the subject is singular, we'll use was. If the subject is plural, we use were. Simple enough, children? Then the third form of verb, which is also the past participle form of verb, is used. Kicked. The ball was why? Because the subject is singular, was kicked. By, after that we'll put the name of the doer using by. We put by and then the doer. Doer was the subject in the active voice sentence, Dev, and now he has become the object. Yes, it is similar to what we did in present tense. Another sentence another sentence which we will do is, which we did in active voice, we'll learn it in passive voice also. After that, children, after the past participle form of the verb, we'll put by and the name of the doer. Children, please note, Dev was the subject in the earlier in the sentence which was in active voice. Now it has become the object, the doer, and we put it with by, putting by before it. Another example that we did it active voice was, the sentence in active voice was, they ate 5 apples. When we translate the same sentence in the passive voice, the format will be object plus was, were, either was or were, plus third form of verb, plus by and the name of the doer. Now 5 apples, which were the object in the earlier sentence in active voice, now becomes the subject. 5 apples were. Why? Because it's a plural subject. Eaten, third form of eat, eaten by them. By, we add by and then the doer. Now children, this is the format of active and passive voice in simple past tense. We'll stop here. You'll do the exercises based on this, and then tomorrow we'll take up, today we've done affirmative sentences, tomorrow we'll take up negative and interrogative sentences. Okay children.